This unit, like all the units we build, is made of 304 stainless steel construction. This particular unit is a 4-way unit, single phase. It has 2 single-phase switches and 2 single-phase breakers. This unit is designed to be put in places, strategic places, where typically you would have a cable junction box and you want protection for some of your single-phase loads. This unit can be either 1 switch in and 3 breakers out, 2 switches, 1 switch in, 1 switch out, and 2 breakers, or it could be 3 switches and 1 breaker, just to the customer's preference. This unit has visible disconnects in series with the fault interrupters for safety for the line personnel. Switch position here on this particular unit, and a switch position here. We have a vacuum fault interrupter unit here, and a vacuum fault interrupter here. So typically they would loop in with power and loop out with power to the next device, and they protect 2 of their loads single phase. This particular unit has a relay on it that is easy to set. It has all of your fuse curves you would typically use and relay curves in it. It's a CT powered relay, so it's self-powered and it powers up on curve. To operate the vacuum switch, you simply pull the handle to the open position, and then you deploy the visible disconnect by pulling its handle open. And there's a padlock tab here to be able to padlock it in the open position. Easy access to the overcurrent relay here. Line personnel. This relay is a very simple relay for the line personnel to set. It's all knobs and dials. Dip switches to select the fuse curve here. Knobs here to set the pickups for each of the phases. We're only using 2 phases on this particular relay because we're only protecting 2 ways. We have an instantaneous multiplier that's a multiple of the pickup or tripping, and we can select either a single phase trip or we can select a gang trip. Typically, with only having 2 breakaways, this would always be in the single position because we'd expect it to be a single phase application. We also have a manual trip button, which will trip all of the phases together if you need to do that. I can show you how that works. Since we do not have current flowing through the device right now, I've put in auxiliary power. This is the current CT powered relay. So the current to power the relay is from the CTs that are doing the monitoring, and they are powering the relay for protection. A manual trip. I'll clear the last reset. You just push the button. You'll see in both the trip indicators, you'll see a trip. We have a simple open. The device is open now and reset. I'll simulate that by pushing the handle.